what comes to your mind when you hear power plant, SM Aura, Glorieta, or even Podium? Na alam naman natin na yung mga yon is a high-end mall na makikita natin within Metro Manila. And as you can see, kung nasan ako ngayon, makikita nyo sa likod ko, ito yung ongoing construction na mall na dinedevelop dito ni SM. And ito yung pangalawang SM niya dito sa Santa Rosa, Laguna. This will become the premier lifestyle mall na dinedevelop dito ni SM sa Metro Santa Rosa. Kung makikita nyo dito sa area ng Metro Santa Rosa, magkakatabi lang ang mga high-end mall na mga big developers. No? Bumaba lang kayo dyan sa area na yan, meron tayo dyan makikitang Soledad, which is developed by Ayala, and pagbaba ng konti, nandiyan naman yung development ni Greenfield, which is Paseo. And dito naman sa area, malapit ang Vista Mall, which is developed by Villar Group. And ito naman yung kaabang-abang na magiging entry, no, ni SM dito sa high-end market. And baka may magtanong after nitong video, no, if may residential project din ba dyan sa SM since may SM Mall. So before we dive in that topic, allow me to introduce myself. I'm Carwin Orga, your Prime Properties, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. So balik tayo sa topic, possible ba na magkaroon ng SMDC dito sa area since may SM Mall? Sa totoo lang, possible po. Pero sa ngayon, wala pa pong confirmation or specific kung magkakaroon nga ba. No? Pero kung ako yung tatanungin, almost 120% yung chance na magkaroon ng residential dito. Bukod sa may mall, it is located in a prime location, kaya naman napakaganda kung lalagyan to ng residential. And isa pa, bukod sa tumataas na yung demand dito sa area, talagang possible na maglagay sila ng residential dyan. And sa mga di nakakaalam, no, ito pong SM Yulo Premier is located in along Santa Rosa Tagaytay Road. Tapat lang po siya ng Cavite Laguna Expressway or Calax Exit. Pero bakit nga ba pumwesto si SM dito sa area ng Nuvali, may SM Santa Rosa naman? First reason is because of its prime location. And pangalawa, ayaw ni SM conglomerate na ma-dominate ni Ayala itong upscale market ng Metro Santa Rosa. That's why they will develop here not just an ordinary SM mall, but a premier development. So paano yun? Magkakaroon na ng kakumpetensya dito si Ayala. Having a competitor is healthy for the business and for the consumer also. Because having a competitor, especially in business, will lead to innovation and creativity. So itong mga businesses na to, magpapagalingan sila to give us as a consumer the best quality and premium services or products. And may nabasa ako na tingin ko alam niyo na rin naman, no, na having a competitor in the business, imagine kung solo lang dito si Ayala, then wala siyang kakompetensya. The only question in the consumer's mind is, pupunta ba akong Soledad? Pupunta ba akong Ayala or hindi? But since SM place their developments here malapit sa Ayala, the only question in the consumer's mind is, pupunta ba ako ng SM o pupunta akong Ayala? And any decision they will make will be both beneficial dito sa companies na to o sa businesses na ito. Hindi na rin naman ito nababago dito sa dalawang developers na to. Ibabasihan natin yung mga history ng developments nila, no? Sa Quezon City, itinayo yung SM North EDSA noong 1987, and then sinundan naman ng Ayala Malls Trinoma noong 2007. And isa pang example sa Makati naman, no, itinayo yung Glorieta noong 1970s. Sinundan naman ng SM Makati na itinayo noong 1975. Magbe-base naman tayo ngayon dito sa area. Alam naman natin yung nangyayari na nauna dito si Soledad, si Ayala, dinedevelop niya yung Nuvali, and then ngayon naman meron ditong ongoing construction na development naman ni SM. So technically, history repeats itself. Bakit nga ba ito itinatawag na SM Yulo Premier at ito na ba talaga yung magiging official name ng mall na ito? The answer is no. Hindi pa naman po yan yung official name and wala pa pong specific. Wala pa nga pong announcement kung ano talaga yung magiging pangalan nito. Pero pag nagkaroon ako ng balita or information, share ko rin naman agad dito sa ating platform. And explain ko na rin no, kung paano nga ba nag-come up na SM Yulo, yung ibinansag ng mga tao. Sa mga di nakakaalam, no, Nuvali is a former part of a Hacienda Yulo estate which is 6,000 hectares traversing the 3 municipalities of Calamba, Cabuyao, and Santa Rosa, Laguna. Kaya naman appropriate na SM Yulo Premier yung ipinangalan nila dito because it's located in the Yulo Estate and to distinguish it from Nuvali Estate. So since we're talking about mall, no, ano nga ba yung magiging itsura nga nito in the future para magkaroon kayo ng idea? So pinaka best example po is yung SM Aura and yung Podium, which we all know that these high-end malls caters the premier and upscale market of Ortigas and BGC. So what does this sign or moves tells you if they are building the same mall like Podium and SM Aura? And if all this sign convince you what Metro Santa Rosa holds up in the future, then you're not too late. You can start investing here right now. And if you want to know more about Metro Santa Rosa, you can call us sa mga number nasa screen and we are more than happy to assist you. Well, that's all guys. Thank you for watching and see you on my next one.